All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So let's keep this ball rolling. So the next person for Share the Love on my channel for the review program for the devices that I've sent out for review is none other than Reggie U, like the title of the video says. Reggie U, I'll have a link to his description. I'll have a link in the description to his channel, so you can get to know Reggie and go check his channel out. He's a really solid YouTuber. He's a camera guy, very detailed guy. I'll say his footage for YouTube videos is top notch. I mean, so I know that he'll produce an honest review of the device, just like the previous winner of Pristine Tech. So if you haven't joined in on the fun and you're watching this thinking what's going on, well, I just started a program, a little pilot program to send out review units to people who have less than 10,000 subs. So I wanted to pick some people randomly that are tech reviewers to start with. And so far, Pristine Tech has did his first post, and now his video review is about to go live. So I wanted to go ahead and announce the next winner. I guess I shouldn't say winner. The next candidate to win a smartphone in this thing is Reggie U. So congrats to Reggie U. You guys show him some love. I have a link in the description to his channel, and go check it out. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.